Hi everyone, today I will be making black jelly with coconut cream sauce. The recipe is very simple and easy to make, but you have to make sure that your coconut cream sauce is delicious. Okay, let's start together. I use 1 pack grass jelly powder. For this kind of powder, I will use 16 cups water. You can pour 2 cups water at a time and mix it well. Then you can pour more water until you finish those 16 cups. Now it's well dissolved, then move it to the stove. Keep stirring it over heat to prevent the lumps or clumps. After about 10 minutes, it turns thick. So continue stirring. The more you stir, the thicker it turns too. Then keep stirring until the texture turns smooth like this. So you can remove it from the stove and pour the mixture into the trays. Don't forget to remove the bubbles on the top. And let it sit in the fridge or room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. In the next step, we will make the coconut cream sauce. This cream sauce is the main key to make the dessert delicious. So to make the coconut cream soup or coconut cream sauce, you have to bring 2 cups of water to a boil. When the water is boiling, put 3 pandan leaves in and 2 cups of coconut milk. Stir to combine it a little bit, then add half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. Sugar and salt amount is important. If you mix them together with the right amount, our cream sauce will be delicious. So you just bring it to a boil and it's done. You can keep the coconut cream sauce in the fridge too. 3 hours later, the jelly is set. So just cut it into small pieces and pour the coconut cream sauce and enjoy it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again and see you in the next delicious recipes. Bye!